Welcome back to another video with the CAD source. Today, we'll explore a game-changing feature called selection cycling. If you've ever struggled with selecting the right object in busy areas of your drawing, this tool is your new best friend. Selection cycling allows you to easily select overlapping objects in AutoCAD. Imagine a scenario where multiple lines, circles, or blocks overlap. Instead of getting frustrated, enable selection cycling. Type selection cycling in the command line and then enter 2. Now, when you hover over overlapping objects, a selection window pops up. Showing all the entities, choose the one you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials and tips. Happy drafting!